I don't want to fucking, do every rapper out. I don't want to take them out of business, bro. If I release my mixtape, bro, they're done with it.
We them young niggas and we plan to do big things. We just tryna make a fucking million off a rap bank. We gon' fucking get it while you niggas keep trap bang. Say you moving weight, but my nigga, you ain't move the thing. I'ma go get it. Look at you niggas, I swear you not with it. I'ma go get it. Big Daddy Kane and hell, I ain't pimpin'. I'ma go get it. Look at you niggas, I swear you not with it. I'ma go get it. Big Daddy Kane and hell, I ain't pimpin'. Who the jiggy nigga that done pulled up in the big body? Had to switch the flow because that sound sounded like Leotti. They calling me the printer cause the only thing I see is copies. I ain't in the streets and if you say I'm the nigga, find me. Niggas, they say that they want it, yeah, niggas, they say